What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And today we are going to be discussing the 2000p gold Sacagawea dollar coin. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so many of you may have heard back in the day, Walmart and General Mills made 5,500 boxes of Cheerios cereal, and they hid a Sacagawea 2000 gold dollar coin in those boxes. And now they are selling for thousands of dollars. So the thing that is most important for you to look for on the difference between the Cheerios Sacagawea dollar coin and the regular Sacagawea dollar coin is the feathers on the tail, on the reverse of the coin. As you can see to the right, the Cheerios version has a lot more detail in the design, especially in the grooves of the feathers. So that is what you want to look for, guys. That is the big difference. And the crazy part is that this has a record high sale of over $34,000 for this coin in mint state 68 condition, guys. $34,000 for a dollar coin. And so, guys, make sure you check your coins. You never know. You may have had one of these in your collection and didn't know it. Maybe your grandfather or grandmother had one from long ago and, you found it. Check your coins, guys, and just see. You never know. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.